Hello, fellow PC enthusiasts. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of PC building with a comprehensive guide to crafting a powerful gaming rig for under $1,200. This build is perfect for those seeking an amazing gaming experience without breaking the bank. We'll explore each component in detail, guiding you through the entire assembly process. Get ready to unleash the power of a custom-built PC. Building your own PC might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only do you get a machine tailored to your specific needs, but you also gain a deeper understanding of how computers work. And let's not forget the sense of accomplishment that comes with booting up your creation for the first time. This guide is designed with simplicity in mind. We'll use clear, jargon-free language and provide step-by-step instructions. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a complete novice, you'll find this guide easy to follow. So grab your tools, let's get started. At the heart of our build lies the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X processor, a true powerhouse designed to elevate your computing experience to the next level. This 6-core, 12-thread CPU is a beast when it comes to gaming performance, delivering smooth frame rates and lightning-fast responsiveness. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or engaging in competitive esports, the Ryzen 5 7600X ensures you stay ahead of the game. With a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz and a boost clock of up to 5.3 GHz, the Ryzen 5 7600X can handle even the most demanding AAA titles. Overclocking enthusiasts will also appreciate the headroom this CPU offers, allowing for even greater performance tweaks. The Ryzen 5 7600X's impressive performance comes from its Zen 4 architecture, which offers significant improvements in instructions per clock over its predecessors. This architecture not only boosts gaming performance but also enhances productivity tasks, making it a versatile choice for various computing needs. This translates to faster processing speeds and improved overall efficiency. Whether you're multitasking with multiple applications or running intensive software, the Ryzen 5 7600X handles it all with ease. Whether you're battling hordes of enemies in your favorite RPG or rendering complex 3D models, the Ryzen 5 7600X won't let you down. Its robust performance ensures that you can tackle any task without compromising on speed or quality. But it's not just about raw power. The Ryzen 5 7600X is designed to work seamlessly with other high-performance components, creating a balanced and efficient system. The Ryzen 5 7600X also boasts impressive energy efficiency, keeping your system cool and quiet even under heavy load. Advanced thermal management ensures that your CPU remains at optimal temperatures, prolonging its lifespan and maintaining consistent performance. And with its competitive price point, it offers exceptional value for budget-conscious gamers. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy top-tier performance, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build a powerful yet affordable gaming rig. This makes it the perfect CPU for our $1,200 gaming rig. With the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X at its core, you get a blend of performance, efficiency, and value that is hard to beat in today's market. Next up, we have the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 WindForce OC 8G graphics card, a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. This card is not just about raw power, it's about delivering a seamless and immersive gaming experience. The visual muscle of our build, this card is engineered to handle the most demanding games and applications with ease. This card packs a punch, delivering stunning graphics and smooth gameplay at 1080p and even 1440p resolutions. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or exploring open-world adventures, the RTX 4060 ensures you won't miss a single detail. Based on NVIDIA's latest Ada Lovelace architecture, the RTX 4060 offers significant performance gains over its predecessor, the RTX 3060. This new architecture brings enhanced efficiency and power, making it a top choice for gamers and creators alike. The RTX 4060 WindForce OC comes equipped with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing ample bandwidth for handling high-resolution textures and complex graphical effects. This means smoother gameplay and faster load times even in the most graphically intensive games. It also features WindForce cooling technology, ensuring optimal temperatures even during extended gaming sessions. The advanced cooling system includes multiple fans and heat pipes, working together to dissipate heat efficiently. This means you can game for hours without worrying about overheating or performance throttling. The consistent performance allows you to stay in the game longer and enjoy a more stable gaming experience. But the RTX 4060 is more than just raw power. It's designed to provide a balanced performance that caters to both gamers and content creators. It also supports NVIDIA's latest ray tracing technology, which simulates the behavior of light in real time, creating incredibly realistic reflections, shadows, and lighting effects. This technology brings a new level of realism to your games, making them more immersive than ever before. With DLSS 3.0, the RTX 4060 can even upscale games to higher resolutions while maintaining incredible image quality. This AI-driven technology ensures that you get the best visuals without compromising on performance. This makes it a future-proof choice for gamers looking to experience the latest graphical advancements. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or building a new one, the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 WindForce OC8G is a solid investment for the future of gaming. No gaming PC is complete without a healthy dose of RAM and a lightning-fast SSD. For our build, we've chosen 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast loading times. With speeds of up to 6,000 MHz, this RAM kit can handle even the most demanding games and applications. The Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM also features stunning RGB lighting, adding a touch of personalization to our build. The dynamic lighting effects can be customized to match your gaming setup, making your PC not just a powerhouse but also a visual treat. And with its custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, overclocking is a breeze, allowing you to squeeze even more performance out of your system. This RAM is not just about speed, it's about style and customization. You can sync the RGB lighting with other components in your build, creating a cohesive and immersive gaming environment. To store our operating system games and applications, we've chosen the Crucial P3 Plus 1TB, PCIe Gen 4 3D NAND NVMe M2 SSD. This SSD is ridiculously fast with sequential read-write speeds of up to 5,000 and 4,200 megabytes per second. That means lightning-fast boot times, near-instantaneous game loading, and snappy overall system responsiveness. Whether you're launching a game, editing videos, or running multiple applications, this SSD ensures everything runs smoothly. The Crucial P3 Plus also boasts impressive durability and reliability thanks to its Micron Advanced 3D NAND technology. This technology not only enhances performance but also extends the lifespan of the SSD, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. With 1 TB of storage space, you'll have plenty of room for all your favorite games and applications. This SSD is the perfect blend of speed, capacity, and reliability. It ensures that your system remains future-proof, capable of handling the latest games and software with ease. Alright, let's dive into the power supply and the case. First up, we have the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 PSU. This power supply unit is not just efficient, but it also ensures stable power delivery to all your components, which is crucial for any high-performance build. Next, we move on to the Corsair 3500X ARGB case. This case is not only sleek and stylish, but also offers excellent airflow and plenty of room for all your components. The ARGB lighting adds that extra touch of customization, letting you personalize your build to match your style. So, with the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 PSU and the Corsair 3500X ARGB case, we're setting the foundation for a powerful and visually stunning PC build. Let's get these components installed and see how they come together. Now let's move on to the cooling system. We're using the Master Liquid 360L Core ARGB AIO CPU liquid cooler. This cooler is designed to keep your CPU temperatures in check, even under heavy loads. It features a sleek design with customizable ARGB lighting, making it not only efficient but also visually appealing. With triple fans and a robust radiator, this liquid cooler ensures optimal thermal performance. Next up is the display. We're going with the Acer Nitro 27-inch WQHD monitor, which boasts a blazing fast 244Hz refresh rate. This monitor provides an ultra-smooth gaming experience with crisp and vibrant visuals. The high resolution and refresh rate make it perfect for competitive gaming and immersive experiences alike. And there you have it, folks! Our build is complete, with smooth gameplay and excellent multitasking capabilities. This PC is not just a build, it's a powerhouse ready for anything.